Stand here, nice one up for the judge, please.
Morning, sir. Did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have a charge here of unlawful carrying of a weapon. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Put you down for yes, public defender.
Yes, sir.
Public defender, you have anything to stipulate?
Yeah, Mr. Hermosillo, you live in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
You have family here?
Yes, sir.
What family do you have here?
Um,
What
oh,
family
I have
members?
my mother and 3 little brothers.
You have your mother, 3 little brothers, and you promise judge here that you'll make any court dates, anything like that, that you get assigned and asked to go to.
Yes, sir. I promise.
Your Honor, we just asked for a PR bond in this case.
I don't give PR bonds on the weapon charges. So I'll set your bond at $2,000 with conditions that you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. And while you're out on bond, you are not to possess any type of firearm or ammunition. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
Thank you.
That'll be about $200.
Mr. Shaw, did you understand your rights as I presented them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You had a charge of driving while intoxicated, second offense. The county attorney's office did not accept that charge due to lack of probable cause, stipulating that it was a second charge. So what they did at this time, they dismiss it, but that doesn't prevent the officer from rewriting that, presenting the actual evidence, at which time they would issue a warrant for your arrest. Okay.
Okay.
But as of today, shortly after we get done here, that's the only charge you have, which it looks like it. They'll release you.
So I don't need a bond.
You don't need
Nope.
a bond.
No bond.
You can chat about it once this is done. I'll kind of
Okay.
explain what's going on.
Yeah, I kind of understand, but try not to
Okay. All right.
be too familiar with all this.
Okay. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks. Just stand right here.
You know English, sorry. No.
Did he understand his constitutional rights?
Le dio sus derechos la hoja esa que le dijo. Yes, sir.
Okay. Has a charge of accident involving damage to a vehicle.
Tiene el cargo de por causar el accidente que tuvo.
No tengo cargo sobre eso, o sea, eso nomás toqué el carro, eso es creo.
Es eso.
Sí, pero el carro era mío, sí, sí.
Yes, sir. He understands.
Okay. Does he need a court-appointed attorney for that charge?
¿Un abogado o puede contratar su propio abogado?
Pues yo necesito uno, pues no sé nada aún de esto.
He would like a court appointed.
Yeah, put him down for a court-appointed, give him a personal bond of $1,000.
Le van a dar una fianza de $1,000, pero no la tiene que pagar. Es nomás diciendo que usted se va a llamar a este número de aquí cada lunes.
Cada
That-
lunes.
Yeah, and that does have a condition that he not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States.
Tiene una condición, no puede quebrar las leyes de Texas o de ningún estado de los Estados Unidos, mientras que esté en fianza.
A ver, sorry. ¿Qué significa eso?
Lo están dejando salir en su propia responsabilidad,
Ok,
pero tiene que llamar a ese número
Cada
una
lunes.
vez a la semana.
ajá.
So, cuando sale de aquí puede llamar y decirles que salió en ese tipo de fianza.
Ok.
¿Tiene más preguntas para?
Oh, pues no sé. Si la fianza, sí sé. ¿Cuánto dijo que era la fianza? No tengo. Ok, está bien.
No further questions, Judge. Puede tomar
Okay.
unas.
Morning, sir. Did you understand your rights as I read them?
Sir.
Just speak a little louder for the judge.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have a couple charges here, Mr. Prado, manufacturing, delivery, controlled substance penalty group 1B, over 200 grams, less than 400 grams, and you have a warrant that was for evading arrest or detention with the motor vehicle. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, on those two charges?
Yeah, I'll take one.
All right. put you down for yes. Public defender.
Mr. Prado, do you live here in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any family here in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
How long have you been here?
I lived here all my life.
All of your life? And do you promise the judge that you'll make any sort of court dates that he asks you to go to?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I would just ask here for a lower bond. I think here this $30,000 is a little bit higher than it needs to be, especially given that he's not a flight risk. He lives here. He has family here.
I will leave the bond as set by or recommended by the district attorney's office of $30,000 on the manufacturing controlled substance penalty group 1, with conditions that within 72 hours of release of bond, defendant is ordered to wear or carry a GPS device and pay for the expenses involved in that. Defendant must remain at his home between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you're working. Then the defendant must be at his place of employment or to and from that place of employment or his residence. On the evading arrest, detention with motor vehicle, $5,000 bond. Conditions that you do not commit in any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous, illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, alcohol, unless under the direction of a physician. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Tillman, just stand right here.
I have
Speak
a whole
nice
lot
and
of
loud.
relatives, so I'm gonna tell you that earlier. Just only few I can get a contact, but yeah, I have a whole lot of those.
To the judge right here.
Mr. Tillman, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a charge here of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. You need a court-appointed attorney on that charge.
Yes, sir.
Put you down for yes. Public defender.
Mr. Tillman, you live in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
How long have you lived in Amarillo?
Since 2003.
Since 2003, so
Yes.
20+ years.
Yes.
And you have family here?
Yes, I have lots of family. They only said I can have three contacts number, but yeah, I have.
Lots of family, kids here?
Yeah, I have 2 children. Yes, sir.
Your Honor, we would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond here.
Yes.
And that Mr. Tillman is no flight risk, nothing like that.
Hey, Tillman, your charge involves a protective order. So I'm going to highlight some of the things that you can't do and who the protected persons are in this order. List you as the respondent or the defendant, Raymond Tillmon. Protected person in this protective order. Children involved,
Gustavo?
yeah, that's correct. I won't try to tell that. The last name of Tillman.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
okay, here's things that you cannot do. I'm gonna send this out to you when I get done with it. You'll be able to read the whole thing. It's 4 or 5 pages long. Basically, it prohibits you from committing any further acts of family violence or stalking.
So for 90 days, won't be able to go to my residence, even pick up my belongings, my vehicle, and
Might be able to get someone that you know to get your belongings, but do not go there. Yes.
Yeah, you can always you can always call her, make arrangements to have those picked up. Just don't go by the residence. Don't make any threatening or harassing phone calls while you're talking to it, but it doesn't prohibit you from calling. And I'm going to set your bond, sir, at $25,000 with those conditions. Again, no direct contact, not going in within 200 yards of the residence, school, or place of employment. You must comply with the order that I just read you. Cannot commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. And while you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous, illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol, unless under the direction of a physician. Do you have any questions, sir?
so
It'll be 2.5 basically to get out. 5K, yeah. If you can get someone to money, but that's it for now. If you get out, do not violate the effective order.
Okay, so that's what. Trying to figure it out.
2,500.
Wow. That's.
All right. Thank you.
That's
Mr.
all.
Tillman.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'll speak with your attorney.
Oh,
He'll
all
run
right,
through
okay.
everything. Nice and loud for the judge.
Mr. Lujan, do you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have charge here of theft of a firearm. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Puts down for yes, public defender.
Mr. Lujan, you live in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
How long have you lived here?
It's all my life.
Your entire life, and you have family here?
Yes.
What family do you have here?
My mom, uncles, cousins, tias.
Okay,
Got it for my grandma here.
sounds great. And you promise the judge that you'll make any sort of court hearing, no matter what, that he asks you to make?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond on this. Just move on here.
I'd set your bond, sir, at $10,000 with conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you add on bond, you are not to possess any firearm or ammunition. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Nice and loud for the judge here.
Good morning, Mr. Dollar. Did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you had a charge here of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, more than 1 gram, less than 4 grams. The district attorney has not accepted that charge, so if you don't have any other charges, you'll be released shortly after the proceedings are over. I will caution you, though, that officers could come back, reestablish that probable cause, and at which time they would issue a warrant for your arrest. But at this time, that charge has not been accepted. Any questions, sir?
They rejected the charge, which means that you're gonna be let out. They may refile it. If there's ever a warrant, make sure you just go to court for that. Yeah, but they will let you out today, you know.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Good, have a seat.
Yeah. Did you understand your rights as I read them, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have charge, 2 charges here: unlawful possession of firearm by a felon and theft of a firearm. Do you need court-appointed attorneys on those 2 charges?
Yes.
Puts down for both. Public defender.
Mr. Dykgraaf, do you live in Amarillo?
Yes.
How long have you lived here?
Almost all my life.
All your life, and you have all your family here?
Yes.
And you promise the judge, no matter what, you'll make any of the court appearances?
I will promise I will make the court appearance.
Okay, Judge, here I asked just for a fair and reasonable bond. I think that the $25,000 is a little bit high here.
I'm gonna go ahead and stay with the $25,000 bond on the unlawful possession of firearm by a felon and theft of firearm at $15,000. Both of those do have conditions. You are within 72 hours of release on bond. Defendant is ordered to wear or carry a GPS device and pay for the associated cost. Defendant must remain at home between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. The defendant is working during those hours, and it is only to or from that place of employment and back to your residence. You are not committing any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States while you're out on bond. You are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless under the direction of a physician. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
So that'll be about $4,000 to be bonding out.
4,000.
It's a $40,000 bond, you pay 10% of that, so 4,000 with a bond penalty. That's what you're looking at. Thank you. That's loud for the judge here.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gentry, do you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have a charge here of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than 4 grams. Well, more than 4 grams, less than 200 grams. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Put you down for yes, public defender.
Mr. Gentry, you live here in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
How long have you lived here?
I've been back here 5 years.
5 years?
Yes.
You have your girlfriend here, is that right?
Yes,
And
sir.
you have your family here?
Yes, sir.
And you promised the judge that you will make any sort of court appearance that you're asked for.
Oh, yes, sir.
Your Honor, I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond here for Mr. Gentry.
Okay. I'll set your bond, sir, at $10,000 with conditions. You do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol, unless so prescribed by a physician. Have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
That'll be 1,000.
Okay.
Mr. Lay.
Mr. Lay, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes.
Okay. You have a charge here of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, more than or less than 1 gram. That was picked up by a warrant. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to furnish your own?
Would you like a court attorney, a free attorney, or would you like to have your own attorney?
Yeah.
A court-appointed attorney? Yes.
I'll put you down for yes. Public defender, you have anything to say?
Anything else? Mr. Lay, you live in Amarillo?
Yes.
How long?
That.
Your whole life? 2008, so a little over 15 years. You promise, Judge, you will go to court if you are let out on a bond?
Yes.
Your Honor, I would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond here.
Okay. Set your bond, sir, at $3,500 with conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol, unless so prescribed by a physician. Do you have any questions, sir?
Questions? You understand?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Mr. Lay?
Yes.
Oh, sir.
Good morning, sir. Did you understand your rights as they were read?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you were picked up on a warrant for possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than 1 gram.
Sir.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to furnish your own?
Court-appointed attorney, sir.
Yeah, put you down for yes, public defender. Go ahead, sir.
Mr. Porras, you live here in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
How long have you lived here?
For 2 years.
2 years here, and why did you come here? Do you have family here? Do you
Yes,
have...
my dad was living here. He was living here, after he was waiting for my sister to get out of prison. My sister got out of prison. She stayed with my dad after I moved out of my dad's house before
So
my.
you have all your family here, your sister? Your
No,
dad?
no. My dad and my sister moved.
Okay.
They left out of Amarillo. So I'm the only one here now.
Okay, and you promised the judge you'll be able to make any of your court-appointed or your
Yes.
court hearing
Yes.
dates? Your Honor, we would just ask for a fair and reasonable bond for Mr. Perez here.
Okay, set your bond, sir, at $5,000 with conditions. You do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. Pay attention to what I'm saying here,
Sir,
okay? I'm going to repeat that you.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
I'm going to repeat that you cannot commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol, unless so prescribed by a physician. Your bond is set at $5,000 again. You have any questions, sir?
No, sir. Can I get a PR bond?
No, sir.
No, you're not able to get that with this. It'll be about, you're gonna be looking at about $500 bond out.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.